All right, good morning, everybody. Right now it's October. It's a new month. I'm gonna start posting on my Instagrams and see what's all my trades there too, as well as this YouTube. Um, so new month, and right now let's look at the monthly. Here's a monthly. I've actually marked it off. You see, there's a little bit of a support right here, right? Right over here, resistance, and now there we bounced off support. News wise, there's something on ISM this Monday, but this week is there's some nice news. You got ADP, and you got NFP, you got some ISM. Like Wednesday and Friday are gonna be some big news. It's gonna be crazy. Might be no movement or choppy movement today, while they just wait for Wednesday. Wait for Wednesday and Friday, and you just wait for that to happen. So today I'm actually gonna be reviewing all the previous CPIs, um, ADPs, NFP trades in previous months, and see how I could capture those moves and get ready for this week. Replay the tape. So, anyways, here's the monthly, and it is so applying the same knowledge that the other time frames. September close well below without a lower wick. Very small lower wick, and we're also at a support, so it's going to make sense for this thing to go up a little bit. And when this goes up a little bit, it's going to retrace a little bit. I'm going to assume or guesstimate, maybe 2,000 points, maybe up here. Who knows? But it's going to retrace a little bit before it continues down. Um, or maybe retrace all the way up until before Friday, and then Friday just drops. Who knows? So monthly is bullish, weekly is bullish. Same thing, just clean traffic to the left. I think this will yeah, pretty good. Daily, clearly bullish. Got some levels over here. That's a support. Go to the 4 hour. Although those are taken off 1 hour. Whoops. So this 4 hour, right, created that support. Support confirmed from Friday. Friday. Oh no, last night. Last night support confirmed. Kept going up and retracing a bit higher and higher. Low of 28,709, 28, okay. Right, respect to previous kind of low, broke this high. So somewhere between 5 to 9 a.m. it broke this, right? It was 200 points, only moved 100. Some low volume. Now you go to the 1 hour. Nice support over here. I mean resistance. You extend to the left. You can see that is the nice resistance, and there were some buys over here maybe around like 6:30, 7 o'clock, especially above this. That would have been nice, but I ain't at the charts at that time, so 34-point risk. Okay. So yeah, there is some levels over here. Why is this here? It's a level. Oh, it's a 30-minute level. Change that. Basically right now this trade is just taking off. Probably hit that resistance, and we'll see. We got that 4 hour. I think that's a 4 hour level. Yeah. Yeah, it's a 1 hour level. This is a 1 hour. This is a 4 hour. H. Okay. So right now there's no trades. Already looking like a no trade day. Um, unless it retraces, pulls back a little bit. Sorry. Let's look at the 4 hour. I want this 4 hour to close above, which it looks like it will. It might just close up there, and really no trade unless it comes back into this zone over here. But basically, I would like it to retrace a little bit, create a support, and then go back up. So that's what I'm gonna wait for. Nothing between 9 right now, so I'm just gonna wait and we'll see. All right, so right now here the 4 hour, it's closing up top as I suspected, right? Nearing that 30-minute resistance. 1 hour, it's just gonna tap that, which is fine. I'm ready for this to just move, and I wanted to hit a resistance, maybe take shorts, or it's really hard right now to probably take a trade. Here on the 30-minute, it's not really a support. It's all clean here. Yeah, rejected this level here as you see it dropping. But clean traffic to the left to probably hit that blue line, So let's see what happens. But nice wick rejection at the same level as yeah, this little support over here. This thing might actually drop all the way down. Who knows? But at 9 a.m., there's nothing right now. I can't take anything. Actually, I might just stick to buys because the daily is bullish, the 4 hour is bullish, everything's bullish. I'm not gonna. It is a little on a downtrend, but I see a nice clear signal. I'm gonna wait for a 30-minute to close bearish, something like this, and I'd close 90% at the 1-to-1 or 50-minute, 50 pip mark. It's basically a counter trend. If I want to take a counter trend, I would have to wait for a 15-minute resistance to drop, make a support, and then break that. And then I could take a trade comfortably because it's gonna happen. So something similar to that would be like this. Dropped, went up. Not gonna take these trades. Um, you know, not gonna take this short or this short. I'm gonna wait till see here it create a support, went up. Now you can take a short, which actually gave more profits. Right? I mean, instead of this, say here is 200. Right here, you're risking, let's see, 144 to make 200. Here, you're risking 75 to make 200. Much better. So, pause. All right, we got 20 seconds for the market to open. We got a 30-minute closing. 10 seconds. Don't really. Okay, market up. 30-minute. Here's the 15. Yeah, the 15 looks pretty good. Let's see. So here, the 30-minute close like that. Big wick rejection at a resistance. And there's a possibility that it could just fill that. 80 points. I'm going to close 50. How big is this stop? 45. About 80 risk. Like that, you know. All right, so we're in. Gonna close 90% at 80. Yep. Close 90% at 80 points. 10, maybe 8. Or even 50 points. Because here, the 30-minute, it had a wick rejection, right? At a level. Big wick rejection, clean traffic to the left. Even up to here could be good for 60 points. So if I don't get 60, yeah, might, you know, I'm gonna watch price, but you know, if this rejects, then I'm gonna hold it. Clean traffic to the left, base up to 30, should at least tap that. So 60 to 80. You know, if it comes back to entry, I'm automatically closing half because you know, you don't want that. But today, October, going to what is this? Going to hold for the 5 minutes. You know. So right now this is a 15-minute chart. I got a 30 levels there. 90 seconds left for this 5 minute to close. And I'm closing 90% because it is a countertrend trade. Countertrend trade. Right. We're looking good. I need this 5 minute to close. Not gonna close it early because we took so look, 4-hour tap, actually tap that resist. It could come all the way down here, which would be amazing. 1 hour, yep, look at that. Nice rejection. Right? So now I'm watching it. 30-minute, broke that low. And there's a 15-minute. Let's see. Right? Ooh, okay, damn. I think that might have been the level 45. Look at that 5 minute. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna bring stops to entry. I did not see this 5 minute minor support level there. So if I get stopped, it's okay. I'm managing risk. Again, this is a counter trend trade, so I don't want you know, I was relying on NYSE open volume to give me this. Okay, let's see. Can it break it? It's breaking that. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I feel see. Okay. 60. Let's see if we can get to 80. Oh no. Okay. I close. Okay, so I secured 60 because it retraced up. And this one here, we don't know what's gonna happen. So I took the 60. You can see I got a 0.7 left on, and hey man, I'm done. I'm done for the day. Ultimate TP is gonna be down here. 182 points. When you just look at a 30 minutes clean, 1 hour even cleaner, 4 hours clean. Imagine it goes all the way down. Holy shit, man. You know what? Let's bring it all the way here. At a partial take profit for 50% to be down here. I mean, I don't know, but those are the possible levels. 165. There's a 50%. And then add a new one here. Actually, that doesn't even matter no more because it's such. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, so there you have it. You know, it was a possible minor support right here. I wanted the 80 points because stop loss was like is it? I don't know. Stop loss was a bit high. I could have made it tighter, you know, about 34, 35 points, pips. But reason why I didn't keep a tighter stop loss is because it's a market open. And I saw it go down, it went up. Even over here might have been good, basing off this wick, you know, for about 40, 50 points. But I just decided, you know what? I don't want to be scared. I don't want to have FOMO. I don't want, I would hate myself even more if this wicked up. My stop loss is right here. It went down, didn't fill me yet. Actually, it filled me, wicked all the way up, stopped me out, then it drops. And I've seen that a few times. So I'm not going to, I told myself, you know what? The safest and most comfortable stop loss position I would want and not focusing on the money or increasing my lot size is just keeping it up here. So if I do that, you know, an 83, 78 point pip stop loss, I feel much better compared to having fear that this would happen. Although, right, the other thing though is if I did have a stop loss here for about 40 points, all I needed was 40 points to make that 1-to-1, and I could close 90% there, which would be amazing. But you know, I'm not gonna do that when there is a probability that I could get stopped up. Okay, so now my runner just going. This is good. So as I said earlier in the analysis, the 4-hour closed bullish, and there's a minor level here. All right, let's go into trading view. Okay, 4-hour closed here, big bullish. It has to retrace. I don't even know if this is a fib level. I don't even, okay, there's 61% fib. Look at that. I know a little bit about fibs. I don't use it no more, but that's what it is. 1 hour, you know, close, not much structure, but that is a resistance. There is a support here, support resistance. It got a little bit choppy. This was a signal. Nice wick rejection. This was an even bigger signal. Went all the way up, respected that high, respected that level actually. If you look to the left here, right? You look to the left there, and we close in a small bullish candle. And with opening market volume, there was a higher probability. Oh, look, it actually gave me 80 points. Look at the smaller box on the top right. And move, ooh, 95 points. I would have made more. Oh, well, it's all good, you know. Maybe a little fearful, but oh no, it happened just now. Yeah, just now. So before, oh, 76. Yeah, I would be feared. I'd be scared. I'd be scared for that to happen. Um, Big wick rejection, small bullish candle, wicked up, break the low, boom, you're done. So it's a nice setup on the 15. 5 minute had it set up. I love nice. So basically I'm done for the day. Each pip right now is worth 0.70 cents. So it's really nothing. explanation, and then that was a quick trade. That was nice. So just gonna log it in now. Oh, for the month of October. I like to hide this because when I see this value here, psychologically, it messes with my mind. Right? It messes with my mind because, you know, why? I hate seeing it down. Even though I see the price um, on MetaTrader, like my overall P&L, just seeing this go down really adds fear to me. So that's one of my ways to you know, that's one thing I learned. So a tip is previously all of my counter trend trades, I try to get the 1-to-1. I close 75%, and then right away, the remaining 25% or 20% get stopped at entry. It's the counter trend trade, so I'm like, why not secure most of the position once I get my 1-to-1? You know, that's really all I need, right? I take majority of the profit off. If statistically, the type of trades that I take, they go against me. They get that 1-to-1 or 50 pips, you know. And here we go. If you look at the top left corner, you know, market's retracing. It's gonna go back up, which is all good. Probably just did a liquidity grab. So here the MFE max favorable exposure, sorry, was about 90 points, 90 pips, 93 pips. So that's pretty good. All right, so October 3rd, 2022, trade was taken at, oh wow, oh no, that was, trade is taken at 31. So setup, I think the setup was on the 30. Yeah, setup is on the 30. I'd say a flip. 30-minute entry off of 15. And the other thing with this one, on the 15, I didn't take the current candle, the previous low. I took the previous bullish candle low as the entry because it could just fill that and then continue bullish. And you know what? One, I don't like that. I'd rather confirm break the low of a bullish candle if it ain't too far. Otherwise, then it'd be like a wick fill. And that just confirms even more that the market can go down. Right. So got stopped out. Yeah, man, got stopped out, and my look at that. I got 39 cents off that. So overall position, 345 bucks on that. So it's not bad. And if we open up my, man, I gotta like disable this because this can delay my my trades. But look at that, 1.73% today. You know, that is amazing. 1.73% drawdown. I think it says, oh, there, 14. I'll draw down to 14 pips. Made, I don't know, 600 pips, or I don't know. Anyways, I'm up almost 2% today, which is great. I'm done for the day. There's news at 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna just stay on. I'm not gonna trade the 10 o'clock, but I want to see the price action, and I want to see like how things move at that time. So I might just watch it. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it. I will watch it just so I get familiar with how this thing goes. You know, so Yeah, man. Good trading day today. Just gonna pause here while I document my trades, and that's it. All right, so 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news came out. Um, it's kind of messy. Let's see this. All right, so basically, maybe a liquidity grab down there, which was fine. It opened up. Oh, the 1 hour. Oh yeah, doji. So it's gonna go all the way up. It's gonna go all the way up here to 29, 220. Um, I highly think that it broke that doji high, no lower wick. Um, it looks pretty good. I mean, 4 hours bullish. So it's gonna break this, get a 15-minute closure above this. It'll go up here. Could resist this because it is a 1 hour resistance. But 4 hours all clean. So I think throughout the day it might actually go all the way up here. If it oh shoot, I was showing it right. So it might go all the way up here based off the 4 hour, but the 1 hour, yeah, I think you could feel that once we break this. Yeah, once we break, look at that, it had this other previous high. Once it breaks its own high, it's gonna shoot all the way up another this 50, 60 pips. Yeah, it's not really worth it. 60 pips. And like risk wise, like how where am I gonna catch this trade? Maybe go off a 5 minute time frame, but I don't do 5 minutes. So yeah, man, there's no trades. Here we go. It's gonna go up, breaking its own current high. And yeah, man, the 1 hour looks pretty clean. So it's just gonna go all the way up here for another 60 pips. And then so now we can delete this. And then it'll just shoot up. Break continues up, it'll fill this wick, break that, goes right. So it moves in a little bit of levels, but hey, I got my trade. I'm done. So yeah, that's it, man. Quick pretty much like 30-minute trading time is what I did. Set my charts up at 8 o'clock, 8:15 or so. And um no, didn't see nothing at 8:30. 9 a.m. checked it out. 4 hour didn't close right in the middle. And now we just waited till 9:30 for the market open, and I just sat here for 10 just to see how it's moving. And you know it did this. Let's see what the PMI was. PMI, oh, it was negative. Okay, still going up. Oh, good. So yeah, man, looks good. And that's it for today. Gonna come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's another nice day. You got uh even though it's a red folder, I don't think it's gonna move. So we'll see. You know, Wednesday, Friday are the big days. Gonna secure profit probably this half, but I'm gonna secure profits. And hey, man, if this week I make like $1,000, I'm good. I'm just gonna hold it off and just watch the market move without me. I'm gonna secure profits, and this month is gonna be the month that I'm aspiring to make a lot of money. All right, man, see you guys tomorrow.